Give yourself a bold, chilly weather look that'll keep you safe all season long when you rock these boots by Naturalizer. You'll absolutely adore this beautiful suede upper that gives you a soft look and feel, with some stitch detailing really highlighting the construction. You'll find that there are two elasticized panels giving you some extra flexibility, and you'll love that this is a water-repellent design. You'll find there's a pull tab to help you easily pull these on, and love the fact that inside is a breathable fabric lining that'll keep you warm and cozy. The insole uses Contour Plus Comfort technology to give you a premium fit, lots of cushion, and even some support. You'll find that there's also a thermal sock liner that'll give you some heat retention, and love the fact that you'll get a nice chunky look from this midsole. You'll get a 2-inch boost of height from that heel, with an almost 1-inch platform keeping you nice and sturdy, while the outsole is super durable, a non-slip rubber construction, and has lugs and textures to keep you grounded.